Welcome back, guys. In this video I'm going to show you how you can get paid per click and you can make over $1,000 per month doing this. Again, it's another CPA marketing method which is unused and it's a little bit different than a traditional method. I'm going to walk you through the entire step. In this video, in this method, you and me gonna work together, guys. So watch the video to understand the full tutorials. Before that, if you're new to my channel, I make videos on money making, money saving tutorial. I try to upload one video every day. So if you want to win a 10-pound PayPal money, all you have to do is watch this video, leave a like and leave a comment, and when this video get 100 likes, I can do the 10-pound giveaway on the next video, guys. CPA marketing is where you're gonna get paid by every action the viewers take. You can promote any offers from here, from survey to gift card offers. If they put their email address, you get paid this amount of money. So if we can be able to make 10 sales per day, that around say for example, if the sales pay you $1, you make it $10 per day. In a month you make $300. And you obviously, if you can make a 35 to 40 sales, then you can make $1,000 from that. But the only problem with that is getting traffic to your link. Most of the people, what they do, they just pay advertisement and get the traffic for that. But here I'm going to show you something different. What you have to do, go to Facebook and type make money online. Now we are not going to post anything. We are post an others group. We are not going to post contents on Facebook page or group, not others. This is still you're going to post something, but it's different. So you can see, if we type make money online and filter through groups, and these other group open up. But first what you do is just open up these groups and just understand what they are doing. So you see, this group have over 230,000 members, and each of the members come and post different link about their offer. So you see, this person do 5 gigs, so he posts his own store link here. So when you click his and buy these gigs, he gonna pay because he gonna do the gig and he earn money from that. If we put 5 affiliate, you're gonna make money in 2 ways. You're gonna sell his gift, and at the same time you can get a 5 commission, affiliate commission. This is one thing. But you can see lots of different people post a link. There's a online website training available within one minimum fee that you can see, guys. $50 Bitcoin free giveaway, something like that. So what I did is basically I went there on Facebook and created a new Facebook group on Make Money Online. This is the group. It's called Make Money Online Worldwide. I put the link in the description. You can go and check it out. What this group gonna do is, I'm gonna post content every single day. You can join because this is a public group, and you can post content like affiliate marketing link or affiliate offer link or any affiliate offers or referral commission link here. So that whenever the members searching for Make Money Online, they click the link, they can sign up and you get paid. So these are some example I did here. You can see I put the post here, I put another post here, so that people can contact me for the link, or they can click the link on the post and go to the website and they can sign up and you can get paid. It's a basic simple. Now what's the difference between this page and the other page? Because first, if you started to spam them with lots of links, they will block you. But here I don't do anything, just a public group, so you can post anything you want. Don't post nudity or something like that, just post a Make Money Online method. So if I'm able to bring a members every single month to here onto this group, they will click these links and they sign up and you get paid. I put the link, so you can, if I find any website, I put the referral link, you join that, I get the referral commission. Or you put the new links, I will join that group and I will join the website and you get that commission. This is how it's gonna work. So if you're watching this video, go here and join this group, and you can post your affiliate link here, or your whatever affiliate or program that you're promoting or offer that you're promoting. Post leave a post here. You can put an image post or just a text based post, whatever, and leave it there and put the link so people can come here and click and join, and they sign up and you get paid for that. So I hope this you understand. This is a new unused method, because normally what you do is you're gonna join a different group to post that, but here we're gonna post it here. We're gonna grow this page. So if you all watching this video, come here and post your affiliate links, then if we can able to grow this page, whenever the new members join this group, they can click any of the link and they sign up and you get commission for that, guys. I hope you understand. You can do it. If you want, you can create your own group, or if you can't able to bring more traffic, join this one and you can share the link with all of your friends and other members in your social media. They can join and they can get paid for that. In this way you can understand whatever the people promoting, what different offers they are promoting, so you little bit learn more about affiliate marketing, guys. I hope you understand. If you like this video, leave a like, and if you want to win a 10 pound PayPal money, all you have to do like and leave a comment, guys. And that's, see you in the next video.